this is the ASUS ROG Phone 7 and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So let's open first the Play Store app and in the search pool enter the green Apple keyboard. So now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. Then tap to open the app, click enable in settings and near green Apple keyboard, click once on the switcher and tap twice to OK. Then just go back, tap to switch input methods and switch your current keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. Now the process is finished, so let's just check the new keyboard look and we could see that it's so close to the iPhone 1 as all of the emojis. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.